Hey guys, so last video we played Don't Press the Button 4, and now we are going to remove the 4 and play the game. Spoiler alert, next game I'm going to be playing Don't Press the Button 7. Back on what I was going to actually, I was finishing this. Can it fly? Shut up! What will I get from this 8 ball? Ball. It said ball because as I see it's yes. Useless. Sing. Okay. Oh, okay. Hey, where's the noobs? Swan noob. Oof. Limo noob. Hammer noob. The fiend. Ninja noob. Hammer noob. Sword noob. Sword noob. And hammer noob. No, they're barely doing any damage. When them touch it. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? 200 out of 200. 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 10 to the... Hi mister, are you ready for your doom? Okay, I see that was pretty easy. Hey misters, are you ready for your dooms? Hey misters, are you ready for your doom? Okay. Click. I almost got hit. You're not moving. Yes. Hit them. Oh no. I wish I had a weapon that could actually attack. Like what? You! And funnynoah the greatest of all time. Ah! Speed coil! Special items. Okay. None of these are really good. Time to take a picture. Okay, I'm gonna do funny jumping Noah. Please. No. Okay. I see me. Oh no, not again! Hey, if any noobs spawn from here, you're being dead. Any more noobs? Nope. Wait, look, there's a noob. Get the noob. Oh, look, there's another noob. Oh, look, there's another noob. Get it. Oh, look, there's another noob. Oh, look, wait, what? Where did that noob go? Oh, look, there's another noob. 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 Does that person have admin? Or workshop? Oh, look, there's another noob. Oh, there's another. Oh no. I can't even click it. Bro, move. Green. Green always wins. Actually, we're red. Yo, I don't have enough time. Yellow, say goodbye. Now I'm gonna do my favorite color. C'est rouge. Rouge, c'est mon favorite color. Okay, I'm just kidding. No. Remember, I'm just kidding. It's not the way you might think. My favorite color actually is red. Oh no! No! That's the first time I actually went on the wrong one. Mine! Oh, look, lasers. Oh, look, these are harmless, totally. Okay. You actually have how does that person have admin? It's not that hard, right? No, actually, yeah, we lost 8 seconds. Yeah! Wait! Okay? Nobody cares. I said no. Yo, you're cheating! Should I buy it? No. No. Hitbox. Oh no. Not impressed. Laser guns. That's why I don't press the button, but except it was green. Are these teleport guns? Yo, I almost got hit. Luckily, I didn't. Me versus him. Oh, I win! What? Only works for server owners? Recoil. Where am I? Is this correctly? What the heck is that sound? No! Yo! Yes. Pull. No, please. Yes. 2-2. Yes, Pikachu! Oh no. That is my favorite one. Whee! Oh, okay. Oh no! Hey guys, are you ready to face your biggest storm? Come on. Yo, that's it.